Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're making a wood and resin coaster inspired by one of my favorite artists. I will add his social media info in the description box in case you want to see his work. He makes beautiful wood paintings with lots of geometric shapes and beautiful color combinations. Now I didn't want to replicate one of his pieces, so we are creating a very simple one for this video. We are going to use a 4x4 wood panel. I got mine from Michael's, and I used a mini wax wood stain in the color Colonial Maple. As you can see, the wood stains gives a very nice color to the wood. You're also going to need some acrylic paint. Mine is from the brand Americana, a flat brush, and a nail art tape or any kind of tape you have available. And remember that all of the products used in this video will be linked in the description box. And here, as you can see, I'm creating a very simple design with the tape. Now you can make any design you like. You can make triangles, squares, whatever your heart desired. The colors used in this video were bright salmon and sweet mint, and for the light pink I mixed the bright salmon with white acrylic paint. Once the paint is dried, you can start peeling off the tape. And to protect the coaster surface, we're going to use some resin from ArtResin. Make sure your surface is level before adding the resin. To get rid of the bubbles, use a blowtorch. Cover and let cure for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your piece is ready. I absolutely love how shiny the resin looks. And resin is not only good for making things beautiful, but it also protects and preserves. This step is totally optional, but it gives a nice touch to the coaster, so I'm sticking some self-adhesive felt pads to the bottom. If you like this video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so you can see more amazing tutorials. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.